How to add overlay to your video on Edits Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is simply launch the Edits application on your device and select a project that you'd want to add the overlay to. As you can see on the screen, I've already added the project. Now, if you want to add the overlay, what you can simply do is take the video to the position where you want to add the overlay. As you do that, you can see there are different options at the bottom of the screen. So here you can see the option of overlay as well. Tap on overlay, select a particular picture or a video that you want to add as an overlay over here. So let's tap on it. So let me just add another picture over here and then tap on the check mark and it will start loading the media. So as you do that, you'll be able to add the overlay. You can resize it to wherever place you'd want, and that's how you can add overlay to your video on Edits Instagram. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.